If your Gmail Promotions tab is packed with deals, newsletters, and old promo emails, this video is going to help you clear it out fast. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete all emails in the Promotions tab in Gmail in just a few simple steps. This is a great way to clean up your inbox, reduce clutter, and make Gmail easier to manage. Before we start, if this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Gmail account where you want to remove the promotional emails. Once Gmail loads, you'll see your inbox and the different tabs at the top, such as Primary, Social, and Promotions. Now click on the Promotions tab. This is where Gmail stores most marketing emails, offers, store updates, and newsletters. Once you're inside the Promotions tab, look at the very top left area above the list of emails. You'll see a checkbox there. Click that select checkbox to choose the emails currently visible on the page. After you click it, Gmail may show a message that says, "Select all conversations in promotions." If you see that option, click it. This is the important step that lets you select every promotional email in the tab, not just the ones on the current screen. That means you can delete a large number of emails at once without having to repeat the process page by page. Once all the promotional conversations are selected, look for the delete icon, which looks like a trash can. Click the delete button to move all selected emails to trash. Gmail will immediately remove those messages from the Promotions tab and send them to your trash folder. At this point, your Promotions tab should be much cleaner and your inbox will feel a lot more organized. If you want, you can also check the trash folder later and permanently empty it to free up even more space. But for most people, simply deleting the promotional emails is enough to tidy things up quickly. So to recap, open Gmail, go to the Promotions tab, select the checkbox at the top left, choose Select All Conversations in Promotions if it appears, and then click the delete icon. That's the fastest way to clear all promotional emails in Gmail. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple Gmail and software how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.